Are you tired of struggling with low flames and traditional gas stoves? Imagine a stylish, powerful, and easy-to-use hob that makes cooking faster and smarter. Let's check out the Whirlpool 4-burner auto-ignition gas hob. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Whirlpool Elite Hybrid 704 metric tons brass gas hob, one of the most popular hobs on Amazon with over 1,400 ratings and Amazon's Choice Badge. This hob comes in a sleek black toughened glass finish, giving your kitchen a premium and modern look. It's packed with 4 Sabaf Italian burners, 2 small and 2 medium, perfect for different cooking needs, from slow simmering to high flame frying. The Intelli multi-ring burners give you powerful flames, designed for Indian cooking. No need for lighters or matchsticks. Just turn the knob and cook. Perfect for long cooking sessions. Whirlpool offers 10 years warranty on the glass and 5 years on burners and gas valves. Adds elegance to your kitchen and makes cooking hassle-free. Most customers love the premium look, easy usage, and installation process. Many say it's great value for money. However, some reviews mention mixed experiences with auto-ignition and low flame, so that's something to keep in mind. Price and deal. The best part. It's currently available at a limited-time deal of 13,498 Indian rupees, which is a 46% discount on Amazon. So, if you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and durable hob for your kitchen, the Whirlpool 4-burner auto-ignition gas hob is definitely worth checking out. I've added the Amazon link in the description for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it with friends who are upgrading their kitchen.